The changes that have made around the factory and at the headquarters here in Huizhou are massive. The new building is really impressive, the demonstration facilities are excellent, and the product lineup is really, really exciting, especially micro-LED.
It feels like a family to be here this time. For a long time we feel like we've been appreciated by Absen, but now it's become a reality. We think right now more seriously that we are a part of something thanks to Absen.
It's very nice to see the new building. It's very impressive. It's always interesting to see the improvements in technology, and we always see that you are in the forefront of development and also having nice products.
I learn a new product and new strategy, and I'm very proud about AbsenLive. It's very important for us because my work is based on rental production. It's very important for us to the AbsenLive division.
The AbsenLive brand is really exciting. We're really pleased that Absen are now focusing on live events and also have a separate rental and virtual production offering.
AbsenLive is focusing on high quality products for the touring industry, and they're focusing very much about that, and is meeting a lot of the requests that we're seeing.
For AbsenLive, I'm waiting to be more confident with rental production as ours and more closer and develop a partnership more efficient.
I see the potential. I see the new products launched together with the AbsenLive. I see a bright future ahead of this new segment of the company.
It's our expectation that we're going to continue to grow our sales with Absen all the way across Europe, really focusing on live events and also that Pro AV fixed installation market.